Edmonton is quickly emerging as a hub for tech-driven growth, and businesses across the city are feeling the impact. From energy and clean tech to healthcare, manufacturing, logistics, and education, the city's industries are relying more than ever on secure, modern IT systems. As JP McEachern, operations manager from Tier 3 IT Solutions says, it's the companies that modernize strategically, not reactively, that benefit the most from Edmonton's digital expansion. Cloud computing is at the heart of this transformation, helping organizations centralize data, enable hybrid work, and scale without costly hardware. AI is reshaping workflows, automating repetitive tasks, improving forecasting, and enhancing customer experiences. At the same time, cybersecurity has become a top priority. Hacker attacks are constant, and strong layered security is essential to protect sensitive information. Software development and digital infrastructure power innovation in every sector. From SaaS solutions and fintech tools to AI-enabled health platforms and energy optimization systems, Edmonton's tech ecosystem is creating faster, smarter, and more resilient operations. Strong networks, standardized devices, and proactive monitoring ensure businesses stay online and productive, no matter the challenges. For companies looking to stay competitive, modern IT systems are no longer optional. They're foundational. If you want to learn more, check out the full article on our website. And don't forget to add this podcast to your playlist for easy access anytime.